Oh, it's really starting to come down now. I really cannot explain to you guys how badly it is snowing and blowing out there. It is crazy. I'm hoping that that is my last trip out for the night. You are so stinking cute. You are just... Yes, people, we are back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is, and whatever part of the world that you're watching this. Welcome back to the old Southern Pine. Today finds Fiona and I on a very long road trip. We are celebrating 3 years of having our YouTube channel. We have got something very special that we are going to pick up today. Something that I have wanted to have for a very, very long time. And God willing, this is going to be an absolutely great adventure. We sure are glad you guys are here to join us. We've got a long road ahead. Cue the driving montage. Yourself. When you're editing this, don't put any of that in there. I can already feel the subscriber count dropping. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, you guys, well, this is home for the night. We are staying in a motel. We still have a little over an hour to go, but I'm done for the day. Head is getting late. The little girl that needs to go to bed. So unless anything else exciting happens, we'll see you guys first thing in the morning. Good night. Morning. Let's do this. Well, you guys, we did a thing. I have wanted a Scamp camping trailer for a very long time, and we got one. I didn't film while we were there just out of respect for the gentleman that was selling it to us. Let's get a little further down the road. We are hopefully going to be camping in it tonight. Supposed to be some bad weather coming. I wonder if we'll actually get any. I'm so excited.
Winter storm warning, affected area ahead. Please proceed with caution.
Blizzard warning in effect from 10 p.m. this evening to 4 a.m. Monday. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 12 inches. Winds gusting. Travel could be very difficult. Widespread blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only.
It's getting dark quick with the storm rolling in. The snow is definitely increasing. And I do not want to be driving this trailer for the first time in the snow. They're calling for blizzard conditions, wind gusts up to 50 and 60 miles per hour. Those are not conditions that I want to be driving this thing in for the first time. We were passing through an area that we've been to before, and we're going to try to weather out this storm at a Love's truck stop. Weather's really starting to come down now. We were checking in for one of the RV hookups.
Like you did it already online? Or?
Yeah, just coming in the power kicked on.
Oh, the power. Okay.
About 13-foot mini camper, and these guys here showing off. All right, power's hooked on. Let's get this thing set up. Hey, little girl. All right, come on, you. Good girl. All right, baby, let's get you inside. We did it. Set you down right there. The door actually closed. Oh, me. Yeah, you can say that again. That snow is really coming down. I think it is time for some well-earned drink of water here in a fancy OSP mug, by the way, available on our merch shop. Speaking of which, we've got new t-shirts as well. New t-shirts, stickers, mugs, a couple of other things with a picture of a very smiley Fiona baby on there. And today is going to be a good day. So y'all join me in raising a glass. 3 years on YouTube. And our first night in the Scamp. Come here, baby. You want to come up? Good girl. Anyway, cheers to you guys. Truly appreciate you guys watching. It really means the world to us. Thank you so much. I definitely have not had enough water today. So this is good. So I just realized that the supper of Wagyu steak that I had planned for both of us, I can't make. The wind is howling enough to actually like rock the camper, and we have a propane stove in here. So I can't open the windows. So probably not the best idea to use a propane stove. Well, it looks like we're going into the truck stop to get supper tonight. Supper is served. And because this is a health food channel, we got Hardee's. Tonight on the menu, we got the big hot ham and cheese, French fries, and chicken tenders. Nothing says celebrating 3 years on YouTube like chicken tenders. It's fast food, it is what it is. I really cannot explain to you guys how badly it is snowing and blowing out there. It is crazy. I am hoping that that is my last trip out for the night. Alright, you guys, that is bed made up for the night. We even have plenty of room on here for the OSP duffel bag. Look, it's 3 years, man. Just let me have my shameless plug. Fiona. What are you doing under there? Where are you going? Come here. Come on. In there, it's already erased my foot tracks out to the truck. Well, you look mighty comfy. That's us locked in for the night. So I'm going to say that unless anything else exciting happens, we'll see you guys first thing in the morning. Good night. morning, everybody. We had a great night. The wind is absolutely howling. I believe that we've gotten every bit of that 45 to 50 mile an hour gusts of wind. You can actually feel it pushing the camper. We got up just a few minutes ago. Fiona wanted to go outside. She ran around for just a couple minutes and then was like, yep, time to go back in the trailer. I can't believe that we have actually spent the night here, survived a blizzard at a truck stop. And actually, this is probably better because we had planned to be in the state forest, and that would have been messy trying to get out of there today. It's like 9:40 now. So obviously we're just taking the morning easy and just kind of hanging out because there's really nothing else to do. The snow is supposed to stop at noon, but then the winds are supposed to get worse. So we're gonna just kind of hang out and see what's going on. Here in a little bit, we'll get up, we'll get some breakfast started. This has been crazy. 3 years on YouTube, and first night ever sleeping in a camper, surviving a blizzard. Just watching the storm. Was that right? Well, we are at a point now where we are going to try and actually get up. And you are so stinking cute. You are. As I was saying, we're going to try and go ahead and get up. The storm is still raging outside. I think the snow has mostly stopped, but the wind has picked up considerably. It's not seeming like it's going to get much better, and I am not going to stay another night. So hang in there with us. The episode is not over yet. We're gonna see about we're gonna see what all is needed to dig out of here today. We know that they plowed a good portion of the road, but there's also still a big chunk that's in front of us that we're gonna have to dig out. But for right now, it's time to go get some food and get ready for the day. Alright, truck is started. Fiona is safely inside of there. I've got her locked in. It's time to go inside, get ourselves cleaned up. See if we can't even get out of here. That was not fun. Old boy didn't even try to shovel himself out. He just went for it. For breakfast, we've got a egg sausage cheese tornado thing. A whirlwind of flavor. Smells good. All right, we are going to eat these and then stay tuned because we are going to be digging ourselves out of here as well as hooking up the camper. You know what? I'm going to keep you guys with me for the rest of the drive because the winds are only supposed to get worse. So I'm guessing that the drive home is going to be pretty dramatic. Oh, I get it. Tornado because it's a tortilla wrap. It takes me a bit sometimes. What can I say? I've gotten by most of my life just on my good looks alone. Well, guys, that was a lot. But I got it shoveled out. We are all locked up. We're all locked on. I'd say let's get out of here. I think we're gonna put this thing in 4 high. Co-package on. Yeah, all right. Alright, y'all, well, that's us home and safe. That drive took about twice as long as it normally would have. The roads were terrible. The snow was blowing over top of the roads. The wind itself was just absolutely knocking us about. But we're home and safe. Everything's good. All's good that ends well, or something like that. I'm gonna get this little girl inside, hang out with lovely bride for a little bit, and get to bed. If you've stuck around this long, I truly want to thank you. It really does mean a lot to us. And until we meet again under the old Southern Pine, stay safe. God bless.